How to auto scroll Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application. Now here, as you can see, this option of see updates, so we can simply see the option of uninstall only, which means we have an updated version over here. So we can simply go back and launch Instagram application. Now tap on the Reels section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see different Reels. Now if you want to auto scroll, what happens is you can simply tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can see different options: view full screen, remixes, interested, report, and so on. But we do not have the option of auto scroll. So this shows that this feature is not available in this particular device or the region that I'm in, but it's not available for us as of now. But if that's available, you'll be able to see over here in the same page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.